Are you a small and mid-size fashion brand seeking a reliable manufacturer for yoga wear in India? Selecting the right partner is essential. Your manufacturer should not only be aware of current yoga wear trends, but also appreciate the essence of yoga. This means creating garments that promote free movement, breathability, and durability, while prioritizing eco-friendly production methods. Here are the top 5 yoga wear manufacturers in India known for their expertise, capabilities, and ethical production process. First, the NoName company specializes in premium yoga wear, crafting leggings, sports bras, tank tops, and more with organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled fabrics. Their focus? Comfort, flexibility, and performance for every movement. Other notable manufacturers include Alcis Sports, Cotton Monk, Gainup Industries, and Wings 2 Fashion. Ready to launch or scale your yoga wear brand with a trusted partner? NoName is here to bring your yoga wear vision to life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.